I attended today's workshop because I'm already working on a project with Oliver Wight on IBP, and I was interested to hear this topic around EBP and how IBP is evolving for the future. And I think it's a very important and interesting topic for today. I think the biggest obstacle for future planning of our business is the dynamic nature of the business itself. We struggle a lot with forecast accuracy and uncertainties in the market, and also generally a very dynamic operating environment where we are constantly working on new deals, new products entering the supply chain, and trying to get our heads around that from a planning perspective is quite a challenge. So the learning I'll take back from today's event, I hope to learn a lot about, of course, EBP and what this means in terms of the future. And I've already learned a lot about future trends and technologies which could impact business for the future, which is one of my key interests. And I hope to be able to, put this to good use for the future.
And so I guess, some of enterprise business planning is about taking decision-making and integration of a business and enterprise beyond what a human eye could achieve, right? And unlayering that next levels of benefit. And to do that, yes, we need process in the engine room that we need to develop. Yes, we need technology to support that, directed in the right way. But most importantly, we need to drive behaviours.